Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today, I want to talk about syncing your LinkedIn contacts into Facebook. And there's actually an app for that. From your Facebook profile, simply go in and type in this Facebook app. The ID number is 161 320 85390870 And so you just type in that URL like that. It'll prompt you to enter your LinkedIn username and password, and then it's going to bring in all your LinkedIn contacts and sync them with your Facebook profile. I hope that tip was helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to reach me at www.wandia.info.